GoServ Global went to Haiti with a vision to help rebuild after the 2010 earthquake. In the process, we helped take in over 200 children, built a medical and dental clinic, started an outreach for street kids, saved countless babies, built nearly 200 safety homes, and started a school that educates over 400 children. Little did we know that in a matter of 24 hours, all of that could be jeopardized. The devastation from Hurricane Matthew is almost unimaginable, and we are now in a desperate situation, and the next few days are critical. All of our safety homes are standing, and none of the children or families at our facilities were hurt, but we have critical infrastructure to rebuild, and the basic necessities of food and water are running out quickly. There is always a need in the world, but for a group of orphans who have been through so much already, your giving may be their greatest hope. We will rebuild. Please donate today.